To turn on Bixby in Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus, first let's open a settings on our phone, then we can scroll down looking for the advanced features. Enter it, and from here select Bixby, which should be a first option, and if you do it for the first time, you'll be able to perform a setup which at the same time will activate Bixby. So here we need to speak exactly what's shown up on the screen. Hi Bixby, set an alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, set a alarm for 7 a.m. Hi Bixby, how can I make the battery last longer? Hi Bixby, raise the volume and play music. Then we're done with voice recording, and we can choose what to say to activate our Bixby. We can say hi Bixby or just Bixby. Then we need to agree to everything and click on start, and now our Bixby will be active, and that is basically everything.